What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be guiding you on how to set up the Logitech G923 with the shifter. We're going to be doing this on a PS5 console, but the process is quite the same if you also want to set it up with a PC as well. Now I newly just bought this, so quickly join me as we find out everything that comes inside of the box. First things first, here we have a paper manual giving us a step-by-step process on how to set up this device. Just over here we also have the power adapter. You can see this, and we have the Logitech G923 steering wheel itself, and this is really nice. You can see this. You can also see the bottom, and then finally inside of the box we do have the pedal itself, and I'm just going to open this up. Okay, so basically this is how it looks like, and it also comes with a cable attached to it that we are supposed to connect to the steering wheel itself. We also do have the shifter, and basically this is exactly how it looks like. And so quickly, let's go ahead and set up all of these with our PS5 console or PC over here. Now the first thing you want to do to set up your Logitech G923 with the pedal is to go ahead and get the steering wheel just like this, and then you can try to flip it upside down so that you can properly connect your cables to the Logitech G923. Now if you look at the back over here, you can see that we have some parts that are structured for a clean cable connection, so you want to make sure you make proper use of these. And then on the right hand side and on the left hand side, you can see that we do have the icon for the shifter, and then on this other side we have the icon for the pedal. You can see the ports over here. Now what you want to do first things first is to basically just align your cable through this part that is structured for the cable connection. So this is actually the cable that comes with the Logitech G923, and I'm just going to go ahead and place my cable just like this. Now as soon as you do this, you want to go ahead and do the same thing for your shifter as well. And over here I do have my shifter with its own cable, so I'll go ahead and open up the cable and then also proceed to connect its own cable to the part of the Logitech G923 steering wheel that is labeled for the shifter, which is actually this one over here. So get your cable. You also want to make sure that the cable is not actually placed upside down, so make sure you place it as it should, like this. And then you can also make sure you pass this cable through this structured part for a clean cable connection as well. Now once you've done this, you want to also do the same thing for the pedal as well. And here I do have my pedal with its own cable, so I'll go ahead and open up the cable, place this under my table, and this is the cable that comes with the pedal, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it to this icon labeled for pedal, just like so. You want to make sure you also flip it upside down. If you're having any problem, just turn the cable upside down and try to insert it. Once you've done this, the final thing you want to do is your power adapter as well. And I do have my power adapter with the power cable over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and connect the power cable to the adapter just like so. You want to proceed to connect your power adapter to your Logitech G923 steering wheel. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert it into this part of the steering wheel, and then also make sure I pass my cable through the structured part for a clean cable connection. Now that we are done with all of this, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and just place your Logitech G923 steering wheel on your table, or literally anywhere you want to place it. And just at the top over here, you're going to notice that we do have two screws, and what you want to do is to actually open up these screws. So you want to just turn them anti-clockwise, and you're going to notice that these hooks at the bottom of your Logitech G923 steering wheel are going to automatically start opening up. So you want to turn until you notice that the space that the hook has created can fit with your table or wherever you want to place it. So you want to do the same thing for both parts of the screws, and once you're done turning both sides anti-clockwise, you want to go ahead and place it on a flat surface. Make sure it actually fits properly, and then you also want to go ahead and start screwing up both screws on the Logitech G923 steering wheel. So I'll go ahead and start screwing them properly now. Now to make sure it doesn't wiggle around, you want to make sure that after screwing, you actually press on the screw over here down, and then you turn to the right, and you're just going to notice that it will now hook up with your table. So you want to do the same thing for both screws on the Logitech G923. You also want to do the same thing for your shifter. So what you want to do is to turn this little screw over here anti-clockwise until it opens up and it fits with your setup, and then you can go ahead and just hook it up like so. Then you want to also make sure you screw it properly from the bottom. Then proceed to also push on these screws downward and then turn to the right hand side as well. So push and then turn to the right hand side. You also want to do the same thing here. Push and then turn to the right hand side. And now your shifter is firm with your Logitech G923. Now for the pedals, you can literally just place it anywhere under your setup. But keep in mind that if you do have rugs in your house, then you want to make sure you open up these hooks over here. And the way you do that is to just push this backward. And this is going to help to make sure that your pedals are actually firm. But if you do not have rugs or slippery things in your house, then you want to make sure that this is actually closed, or else it is just going to make a lot of scratches on your floor. Now we are almost done, but the last thing you want to do is to make sure you connect your power adapter to the power source. And then also make sure you connect the USB-C cable that comes with your Logitech G923 steering wheel to your PS5 or your PC, depending on your case. I'll go ahead and connect it to any of the USB ports on my PS5. Now, as soon as you connect the USB cable on your PS5 console or your PC, you're going to see your Logitech G923 start to calibrate. So I'll just plug it and you can see it is now calibrating. And at this point, you can now go ahead and play any game you want to play on your PC or your PS5 console. You're going to notice that your Logitech G923 does not actually automatically start working with your PS5 console or your PC. So what you want to do is to just go ahead and press on the PlayStation button on your Logitech G923, just like so. And now you want to select your user. So go ahead and select on X. And now you can now use your Logitech G923 completely with your PS5 or your PC. So I'll go ahead and tap on the continue from over here. And I can also go ahead and use the pedals as well. So if I tap on the pedals like so, you can see now that my car is actually moving and it is working absolutely well. If you find this tutorial useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.